Sa Damon de Villa, but no good. Nakuha ngayon na kay Jeff Comia ang bola. Jeff Comia gets a basket and a foul. Uy, what a block by Boris Mbogo. Now Kenneth Umba gives it to On de Villa. Alley-oop by Kenneth Umba. Slam dunk! And here we go with On de Villa. On de Villa now gives it to Wawi Escocio and gets it to basket. Grabe naman yung pagkakapasa ni Saddam On de Villa doon. But Young Piano gets a good layup there. Buena, 3 points. Grabe, 3 points. Now Kenneth Umba tries to attempt a 3 but no good. Nakuha ngayon na kay Jeff Comia ang bola. But Jeff Comia gets a basket and a foul. Ooh, mukhang isasab muna dito si Jeff Comia. Now Kenneth Umba attempts another 3 and gets it to go. This is your announcer, Lance, from the MIGBL Season 6 Committee. We have whoa, basket count. Salazar. Uy, sa Damon de Villa. Layup there. Very, very nice layup. Tumira na tres. No good. Gets a rebound by Prince Yambao. Now to Wawi Escocio. Wawi Escocio. 2 points. Now we have 34-41 for the official score. Lamang pa rin ng Gardner College. Uy. Basket count by number 1. Kenneth Umba. Basket is good by Kenneth Umba. Now we have number 11. Gets it to go for our number 11. Kalipay, 2 points. Balik ulit tayo dito kay Oning Lamansek. Oning Lamansek, 2 points. Now Gonzalo passes it back to Kalipay. Kalipay loses the ball pero nakuha niya ulit. Basket, no good. Pero nakuha ni number 16. No good on the basket for the slam. Sayang yung kay Kenneth Umba there. Prince Yambao here. Basket is good. Johan Ang. Wow! May bantay. Alright, official score is 45-56. Still in favor of Gardner College. We have 1 minute remaining on the second quarter. Kenneth Umba with 2 points there. Alright, back to the ball game. Number 99. Carnito gives it to Buena. Ang gives it back to Buena. Uy, grabe yun. Si Johan Ang. Uy, Yannick Tizzy gets the two-pointer for the last basket of the second quarter. Actually, for our third quarter. Three. Kenneth Umba, no good. We have on the Villa Saddam. Basket is good. Kenneth Umba for another three-pointer there. No good. Nakuha ngayon ni Buena. Kaso munti kang mawala. Bigalik ulit. Oh. Ano nangyari? Wala naman. Ball possession gets it to go for Gardner College. Uy, wala na. Block ni Kenneth Umba. Now Kenneth Umba gives it to Ondevilla. Alley-oop by Kenneth Umba. Slam dunk. No good by Piano. Now we have Ondevilla passes it to number 23, Francis Camacho. 3 points, Francis Camacho. Uy, grabe. Papasok sana kay Yannick Tizzy kaso nakuha ng Gardner College. Now Johan Ang. Basket is good. And that's gonna be a timeout. Alright. Uy, what a block by Boris Mbogo. No good. Oh, Del Rosario tries an attempt but no good there. Ondevilla now, Saddam. Basket is good by Saddam Ondevilla. We have here number 6 down to 34. Basket is good. Oh, Kenneth Umba attempts a long three there. No good. Huawei Escocia gets it. So for those who doesn't know, Gardner College is actually one, but right now they're battling out for this game. Kenneth Umba again. Grabe naman si Huawei Escocia, back-to-back basket. Now ball goes to Salazar. No good there, Jeff Gomia. Now Saddam Ondevilla attempts a three. Basket is good. Lamino, Tamado. 3 points by Yang Piano. On the Villa now. Wow, attempts a 3. Gets it to go. Grabe sa Sadamo on the Villa there. What a clutch. All 83 na yung score. Jokno now with the rebound and attempts again, but no good still. On the Villa now. Attempts another 3. Gets it to go. Lamang na ang Avocadoria PH. No good there. Jeff Gomia with a 2-pointer. No good pa rin. And that's the back. Uy, Jeff Gomia. No good. Sam Peralta now. And he gets the back. Now Umba. No good on the attempt there by Kenneth Umba. Now you have here Johan Ang, 2 points. Peralta. There it goes. Alright, Jeff Camacho. At sama ng tingin. Pero napasa niya. Good teammates and get the basket. Wow. Young Piano with a 2-point there. That was a 3 points by Sadamo on the Villa. And now we're official score right now. It's 99-91. Now Kenneth Umba with the rebound. Uy, Francis Camacho now to Sadamo on the Villa. Nice screen by Sam Peralta. Post. No good. No good pa rin kay Sadamo on the Villa. Now ball possession goes to Gardner College. That's gonna be a 2 points. All right, now we have Del Rosario, JV, no good there. Rebound by Sam Peralta. Okay, Sadamo on the Villa drives the ball. Naghahanap papasahan, nakita si Jeff Gomia. Jeff Gomia stalling for time. 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Wow, what a pass. And here comes a 3-point attempt, no good. Okay, shot clock is 13 again. Kenneth Umba with a long 2, no good there. Sabi dito, shout out naman boss. Sabi ni Rafi Kisaba. No good on the attempt there by Piano. Now JV Del Rosario gets the basket. 4-point lead now for Avocadoria. And tries a foul from Official score is 103-97. Good. 104-97. That's the end of the second game. Avocadoria PH versus Gardner College. 104-97 is the official score in favor of Avocadoria PH.